End of the day, and I usually don't bother updating my to-do list at the end of the day. It's one of the first things I do in the morning, but I did have a second to just record this quick video. So here is my to-do list for the day, and I'm just going to update it. Let's see. I had a late breakfast, but I took my stuff with breakfast and my booster. I mostly cleaned out my inbox now. I have a couple of things left in here. And so what I'll do is, for instance, where's the learning assessment? I took care of this and I responded to it. Still working on the spring schedule and some other stuff. So I didn't completely clean out my inbox. So I think what I'll do is I'll move that till tomorrow. And tomorrow I'll definitely, oh, I covered up my face. Tomorrow I'll definitely finish cleaning out my inbox. Of course, more stuff will come in, but I either calendar it or I put it on my to-do list or both, or I just take care of it immediately. So here's my calendar for today. So it either goes on my calendar or my to-do list, or I take care of it. That is inbox management. And if you can get your inbox cleaned out, you'll be so happy. I got midterm grades turned in today. I didn't finish this, so I'm going to work on that tomorrow, and I put it on my calendar too. This I'm going to have to finish tomorrow because I didn't get some information back. I did that. I did that. I did that. I didn't do the dog walk yet today. If I do, I just won't bother marking it off. It's fine. I think I can still get in a dog walk before dark, but I have a class to teach tonight. I contacted David. I haven't done this, but I'm going to put that off until Wednesday. I did my Chi booster. I haven't done this yet, and I haven't done that yet. But now what I can do, just make this all the way. I can sort this by due date. And you'll notice I also have it ranked. This puts it on a particular day. It puts it pretty much in the order that I think I'm going to do it. And what I'll do in the morning is these things that I do every day, like my medications and updating my budget, cash flow projection, and my to-do list. I'll just move those in the morning. I'll just copy them and put them here on tomorrow's date. And then when I finish something, so that I don't look at it again, I just blank it out. So, whoops, these two still need to be done. But tomorrow I'll organize everything first thing in the morning, and then I'll make all of those in the white color, and I'll gray out everything else that I don't want to look at. And then, let's see what's today's. I'll print it because I like to scribble on it, and I'll add things and cross them off as my day goes. The one thing that I did want to point out is I organize things by priority, and here's Stephen Covey's time management matrix. So I try to spend most of my time up here in quadrant 2, not urgent, but very important. And that's why I have my goals listed at the top, so I can remember what is important but longer term. And then I try to spend as little time as possible in urgent but important. If I put off, say, the APR self-study long enough, let me see, I'm going to put the due date on there. It's due 10/26, the first draft. So if I put that off until 10/25, it will be quadrant 1. I've got it in quadrant 1 right now because I want to get it done. So quadrant 1 are things that need to be done right away. Quadrant 3, you should never be in 3. Quadrant 4, you should never, never, never be in quadrant 4. So, for instance, on Saturday, we went hiking up in Valles Caldera, and so that was true recreation and relaxation. We worked hard all week. We cleared our schedules and our to-do lists to the best of our ability and took a day off, and it was marvelous. So that's not urgent, but very, very important. Okay, so that's the to-do list. You get it out of your inbox. Try to clean out the inbox, get it on the to-do list, on the calendar, or simply take care of it. It's really that simple. And you can see that I've got stuff clear out here. Where is like putting the tires on the Jeep on November 20th. I try not to get it too cluttered up, but if there is something like that that's not on the calendar, that's not really that easy to calendarize. I don't really want it on the calendar because I don't know if it's going to be on November 20th, but I can put it out there a little ways and make sure I get to it.